Welcome to LearnWire. I have a special video that I'm going to put together for you guys this morning. It is Sunday, April 10th, 2022. I normally don't put out videos on the weekends, and especially I usually don't put videos out on Sundays, but I wanted to make sure that I got this information out to you guys in case it's something that you guys are interested in. This is from Yive. It used to be Your Instant Video Empire, but they've since then expanded over the last 4 years into even something bigger. They offer website packages. They're really heavy on video marketing, and they even are building their own like YouTube alternative. So when you create different accounts and use their system, you won't have to worry about, YouTube taking down your content or anything like that. And I'm over here ranked number 2 for that keyword, and look at all the reviews because they're planning on having a really big video hosting website to the public as well. But anyway, they've since rebranded to Your Instant Virtual Empire because it's even bigger than just video. But in today's video, it's particularly related to their first product, which was all about videos. Now, Marcus Cudd, the owner, founder, and creator of the software system, it's basically an ecosystem because they have so many products that they offer. So he just says over the last two years, many customers have entered their Yive ecosystem, and many of you have asked about a lifetime deal for Yive 4.0, and I've always said that it was closed. No way. So they might have done it over 2 years ago when it first launched. But you have to imagine there's a lot of server and bandwidth that is required to run a business like this. So lifetime deals can kill them. So long story short, this email is actually from yesterday, so you only have 1 day. I believe that this will end at midnight on Sunday, today, right? April 10th, midnight. This offer is going away. So this is, if this is something you're interested in, you do have to jump on it. There's 2 caveats. They're only offering it at the starter plan level. I'm going to show you all that in just a second. I'm going to show you some video rankings that I use their system for to rank my videos really high, and they are very profitable as well, the videos that I produce and use their system as well. So I will show you that in just a second. So you can only go in at the starter plan level to keep the system stable. You cannot refund in another product. If you already have a product, you can't refund that and then pick this one up. They're going to see that on the back end. They're not going to do that. This includes the YT uploads and stacker views, 30,000 per month. So this is where I'm going to really focus a lot of the review on, because I use the stacker views a lot in my business, and the fact that they're going to give you an ongoing 30,000 per month that you'll never have to buy again is pretty cool, because their lowest package is $100 per month to get stacker views. So this is very valuable, pretty much almost worth the price investment itself, but you're getting so much more. And then it does not include the stacker account creator. And that was a separate product as well. So let me jump in real quick and just show you what this is. So this is Your Instant Virtual Empire. It's Yive 4.0, right? So they have been, I think it's been around for 4 years now. I'm not 100% sure on that, but they've been around for, a few years, and they're already on Yive 4.0. So they continue to upgrade the system and work out any bugs. It is, it's a big platform, and there's a lot of people that use it, and there's a big community. You also get access to all that, the Facebook community, but you're welcome to click on the link below and go watch the sales video and check out the sales page yourself. But essentially, what is Yive? Yive is a video creator and marketing automation machine. So if you need or would like to use video as a business model to start building an online business and making money, then this is exactly what you would want, because they're going to take care of you. Of course, they have these screenshots of people that actually use the system that are profitable and making money with Yive, so forth, right? And there's an Amazon example right there as well. Why use video? It's where buyers go. We already know that. And then here is some more video examples. What does Yive 4.0 do for you? It creates and uploads videos on autopilot for you creates videos 24/7, 365 for you, creates videos from RSS feeds. You can create videos from any keyword you put in, from a batch of articles. You can create it from any URL. You can actually even tell it, hey, create me 20 videos, unique videos from this one URL, and it'll go out and do that. It'll create Amazon review videos, multiple languages. You can create videos from your own scripts, create unique videos from one script, or create unique videos from one of your own videos. And then what can you do with this, right? Like, how do you put this to work? What is the business model? Well, you can dominate any niche with thousands of videos, drive traffic to affiliate campaigns, e-commerce products, AdSense blogs, websites that you flip, websites you rent, pay-per-call, lead generation, client websites. You can build your email list this way, resell traffic to clients. Once you start getting all these videos ranking and you have traffic, then you could actually charge people to rent out links on your videos and things like that. You can build a full-time income from home with this system. So it's automation that works 24/7, 365 on all autopilot. I'm not going to read through all of this right here, but it does a ton of stuff, right? So you can pause the video, and then right here, Article Forge videos. Use Article Forge articles for videos automatically. Input your keywords and sub-keywords. Request as many unique articles as you choose. Group your articles. Set your schedule, and Yive does the rest. Reuse groups of articles across campaigns. So it just, I mean, they will take advice or feedback from the people that are in the community, right? And they will go to work on it. If it gets requested enough, they will add it to the system. I mean, this is incredible. You can use softwares like Article Forge. They have APIs built in, and if you have an account, you can use that to your advantage. Now, because you're paying $300 or $400 a year for Article Forge, it's really nice to find softwares that are going to allow you to put that software to work and to use. And Article Forge is getting better and better at writing articles. And so if you can use their content to have really good scripts, then you're going to have even better videos. So that's a really good one right there. You can come through here, ton of stuff. You can see what the style of videos are. So it's going to pull automatically. It's probably connected to Storyblocks or something like that. It's going to pull these videos automatically for you and add the text. You can also add your have AI voiceover added, like this one.
As a follow-up, I asked Rio SEO's Crystal Tang, a GMB Gold product expert, to summarize and clarify some of the discussion around business hours for those who didn't get a chance to attend.
And you've got that.
While the Dutch Museum.
So news type videos, things like that, right? So Amazon product. So pretty high quality videos, and that's one of the really cool things about it, is that you're actually getting some high quality video production coming out of this, and it's automated. It's pretty insane. And then you don't even have to push the buy button. You can actually go and learn how to actually use the system. Look right here on their sales page, how easy is it to use? They're putting in some tutorials, some training tutorials, how to do an Amazon campaign, keyword and URL tags, YouTube groups. I mean, look at this. You can learn a little bit about the system before you even jump in. And they have dozens of videos, trainings if you join this system. And then this is where one of their new products is called streammachine.tv. Welcome to go and check that out. Now you can auto upload to streammachine.tv. You're not going to have to worry about the new video app built for marketers. Don't stress about YouTube bans anymore. So all kinds of good reasons why you would want to use that. You would double down, right? You would use YouTube, and, that system right there. So, more customer testimonials. Obviously it is working for people. And then right here, right? So here's where the comparison is between the plans. There's a starter, professional, enterprise plan. Now this is a $497 offer. That does sound like a lot, but what you're getting a lifetime deal to this. And normally I'm going to go show you what the pricing is. This is live on a daily basis. They sell this. It's $47 per month for the starter pack, right? Starter plan on their regular site right now is $47 a month or $470 a year. And then it just keeps going up from there. But what do you get with this? You get 3,000 videos per month. And then you get a stream account limit, 500, Google account limit, 500, YouTube account seasoning. So they automatically will go in and do things to season your account. So it has less of a chance of getting banned from YouTube. And look at this. You get all of this in here. Really cool stuff. So this offer is only good for the starter plan option, which I used the starter plan option. I've never used the 3,000. I recommend building quality YouTube channels and not using all your credits and spamming it, because it will get shut down. So you want to go slow with it. Now, if you have 100 YouTube accounts and you're posting one video per day to them, then that's fine. But you don't want to be posting 10, 20 videos per YouTube channel. It'll get shut down. YouTube does have a throttle. So you want to be careful. So this is a lot, right? And the cool part, let's go back to that right here. Now I want to tell you about the stacker views right here campaign. Okay. So I'm going to go log into my account here, right? So I'm going to log into my account. Obviously, I'll show you real quick just the video section. You would go to video and you'd go to video builder. And then look, you can come over here and select from any of these templates. It's very much like Vidnami, if you ever saw Vidnami. It's like Pictory as well. They have their own built-in system. It's basically the same thing. Now you can just select this and go and start building. So you can build videos custom from scratch if you would like to, or so really cool stuff. I mean, you can see in here, I mean, you have your ticket system, you have their tutorials. There's a ton of tutorials in here. They just have, it's a system that's continuing to grow. They have different things, stackers, and that's what I'm going to show you in a minute. They have Stream Machine uploads. You have different campaigns right here. This is where you can get Google accounts from them. They pretty much leave no stone unturned with this software. Now let's go and check out the stacker campaigns, because this is where this is where they shine. The system that they built here is super awesome. So we're in here in the stacker campaigns. Okay. If I wanted to create a new one, I would just go create new, right? And you can see I have 8,000 credits up here. Now I would just title this, let's call it David, and we want views and next step. Okay. So then this is where you're going to come in here and you're going to paste your YouTube URL. So let's just say we put that in there right there. Then we're going to put in a, say pepper type right here. We're going to put in the title, and then we're going to go for a keyword. So we want to rank for pepper type AI review. We would put that in, and you can add more, but usually 1 or 2 is better. And then you're going to say, okay, I want, 300 views right here. Or maybe I'm just going to say 100, because I'm not really sure. And it's going to tally up how many, you're going to use, and then how much credits you're going to use based on how long your video is. Okay. And then you're just going to say save and next. And then you're going to go and just basically turn the campaign on, and then it just goes for you. Okay. And then you can see there's a little chart over here. This is what's happening. People are really actually going to be watching your video. High retention views. You could set how many days you want. So if it's only a 1 to 300 views, you can do it in just one day. That's fine. If you're going to do 1,000 views or something like that, you might want to set this to 7 days. You can set it up to 30 days. I don't even know if does it go even more than that. It does. You can set it for how many days you want. I've done some long-term ones for like 30 days, and I just want to hit it with 5 or 10 per day. And you can do that as well. So I'll go back to just my list of campaigns real quick. And you can see it's automatically saved that new campaign, but I have not turned it on. Okay. So we can come over here to the dots and edit or view the campaign. But now check these out. So if it's active, I actually have one that's currently active, and that's the one that I'm running for a month at a time. I'll go show you the results for this Rank IQ review. Super cool. But look at all these different ones that I've used it on. We could go through every single one of these, and my video is going to rank in the top 10 for 90% of these. So this tool actually works. Okay. So look at, you can just see right here, how to determine a marketing budget. Let's go into an incognito window right here. Okay. Incognito window, type in how to determine a marketing budget. Okay. That's a keyword that people are actually searching for on YouTube. And let's see, this is an ad, so that one doesn't count. So we've got 1, 2, 3. I just posted this on one of my other YouTube channels, Teach Me Money Methods, the other day, 11 days ago. It doesn't have a ton of views, but this will bring in a steady amount of views for years to come, because this is a keyword that's searched for a few times a month here and there. And now if someone types this exact thing, query into YouTube, I am ranked number 3. So I have a good chance of getting some steady organic traffic from this keyword ranking. And this is a competitive keyword as well, because it's in the finance and business kind of niche, right? So if you look at this, these are all the people that are actually optimized for this keyword. Look, marketing, and it just keeps going. Look at all this stuff right here, how to calculate marketing budgets, and it just keeps going. Look at marketing budgets. We can just keep scrolling down. There's dozens or even hundreds of videos where people are how to set your marketing budget. Look right here. People are just putting up these videos on how to do marketing budgets, and it's very, very, very competitive. And who's at the top? I'm ranked number 3. I probably could do a push for this and get it to number 1 if I wanted to, but I'm okay as long as I'm in the top 3, top 5, and I'm okay with kind of sitting right there, right? Let's go look at a couple more, and I'll end the video. Brainwork review. And I am currently set number 2 for Brainwork review. Super cool stuff, right? And then we go over here. You saw this one. I have all these ones that have been set up. Pepper type review. I'm ranked number 3 right here. And then right here, some really big hitting keywords right here. Jasper AI review, one of the biggest and most popular AI content generating softwares. Used to be Jarvis, and before that was Conversion AI, but Jasper AI review, and I'm over here ranked number 2 for that keyword. And look at all the reviews of Jasper. I mean, it just goes and goes and goes and goes. It's very competitive. We even looked through here at people like down here, with like right here, this guy got almost 7,000 views, right? He posted 2 months ago, and he has almost 30,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. And I'm a small YouTube channel with under 2,000 subscribers, less views, and I'm still ranked number 2. And let's go look at this final one, Rank IQ review. Okay, Rank IQ review. I am ranked number 1 currently right now, so it is in fact working. Now, someone posted this 9 months ago. They had more views than me. It's a bigger channel, and this is competitive as well. You can see I do have a lot of Rank IQ content because I use the tool and I really, really enjoy using the tool. But you can see Rank IQ has a lot of content as well. And we go up to Rank IQ review. I'm ranked number 1, and this has made me thousands of dollars, just to be transparent with you. So it does work. So come back over here. I'm just going to go and show you the sales page one more time. It's $497, and I didn't even put this video out. I am an affiliate with Yive, and those that are already signed up underneath me have already purchased this, and I've made commissions on that, which is super, super cool. People really like this software and they see the value of it. So I wanted to get this out to you guys, just to make sure that you guys don't miss out on this. I really apologize that I didn't put this out a few days in advance. I really wish I would have jumped on this and put this out probably last week, so you guys had a lot more time to kind of think about it. But unfortunately, this is coming out on Sunday, and I believe this will end on Sunday. Sometimes Marcus is nice and he leaves the offer up for 1 or 2 more days after he initially says that it's supposed to be over, but I can't promise that. So if this is something you're interested in, it's a one-time deal, $500, and you are in and good to go, and you'll have the starter plan forever. And you get 30,000 of these stacker credits. See this right here where I have 8,000 credits right here? Well, you get 30,000 of these credits every single month, right? And so in order to, I believe they have plans at like $100 and $200 a month. But them giving you 30,000 credits per month on an ongoing basis, in my opinion, is worth the price of entry, because eventually it's going to pay for itself, and you're always going to have access to that. And that is what I have used, right? That is what I've used to rank all those videos. I use this stacker, and it's a YouTube ranking system where it will rank your videos for you. So click that link below. Go pick this offer up if you want to hit video marketing and video automation hard. All right. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.